Hi, folks. I'm Matt Stover, the superintendent for Catawba County Schools, and I want to welcome you and your students back to school starting tomorrow, Wednesday, January 5th. We're excited to get them back and begin learning for the second semester here in Catawba County. I hope you all had a great Christmas break, great holiday, and Happy New Year to all of you. We're excited for this new 2022 year, and we are ambitious of what can happen in the upcoming months. So, I just want to give you a few updates. You're going to see some attachments in this video message. The first is the changes to the North Carolina Strong Schools Toolkit. You'll see below those changes. If your student has COVID-19 or test positive for COVID-19 and or has been exposed, those quarantine and isolation measures have changed, and those are in the video chat as we speak, so you can take a look at those for yourself. Again, just a reminder that we're thankful for our health department, our school nurses who exercise all of the quarantining to keep the spread of COVID-19 down in our schools. And so thank you to our health department for your cooperation and guidance during this time. Secondarily, you all know that early December, we opted into the ABC Collaborative Test to Stay program, which gives our students and staff who have not been vaccinated an opportunity to stay in school. Again, you'll see those that guidance attached in those changes attached as well to this video. And I'll just hit the highlights on that is it will now mirror the guidance of the CDC guidance of 5 days of masking. And during that 5 days, it'd be tested on days 1, 3, and 5 if it was a close exposure, and then could be done with testing and return with masking days 6 through 10. And after you read the guidance from the Strong Schools Kit, you'll understand why that changed and how they mirror one another. The biggest change also to the Test to Stay program is that on day 6 now, all students are eligible for athletics. And secondarily, during days 1 through 10, when masked up in school, all students are eligible for field trips. That has changed slightly as well. But you'll see that in the guidance attached to this video. So want to take a quick minute to I'm sure you and your family have gone through the same thing, maybe where you work or within your family. We're seeing our COVID cases increase in Catawba County during the present time, which was to be expected in January. But we are taking every precaution moving forward to try to keep students in school. So I just want to give all our parents in Catawba County a heads up. Staffing issues is real. If we have sickness and we don't have enough staff, what we'll try to do is keep the schools open and keep our classes moving with all adults in our system to be able to monitor our students and keep that the priority. However, if we would not have a teacher or sub to take care of a particular class in a particular school, our first option would be to move to remote learning with that particular class. And that would be a day-to-day opportunity depending on the supervision that we were able to attain for that classroom. Our goal is parents, if we need to make that change, we would try to let you know the night before, like we would do a weather outing if at all possible. Again, we hope not to do that, but we are getting geared up just in case we have staff shortages. We're seeing that across all industries, not just education. So I'm sure you understand where we're coming from on that. Secondarily, bus drivers, we hope we don't have sickness, but if we have a shortage of bus drivers, we are planning to be able to run double routes, which means there might be some time changes to your bus routes. And if that's the case, you will get a phone call from the school through Parent Square. So again, if you don't have Parent Square, take a look at that on our website. Please download that app. Get Parent Square so our schools can correspond with you. I think most of our parents have it, but nonetheless, that is how we'll correspond. So just want to give you the heads up. Our intent is to keep kids in school. In order to do that, we have to have adults to monitor them. And like every industry, we have shortages as well. So we just want to give you the heads up. That's what we're going to try to do. And we're going to try to keep those buses running as well. It might not be the same times, but if we make changes to those bus routes, we will let you know. Our assistant principal have done a great job of that, along with our bus drivers and our transportation department, getting those lists prepared to communicate with you as parents. So we are just, again, I think all educators in general try to prepare and be ready. And so we are trying to do that. We are optimistic it's going to be a great second semester. We're excited about the shortened guidelines and get kids in school. And we're excited that we still have our Test to Stay program. And as always, we're excited to get kids back in school and have that opportunity to educate them. Parents, thank you for your flexibility and understanding. And as things change, I'll try to keep you updated as soon as I'm aware of the changes. And folks, I hope you have a productive and blessed 2022. And we look forward to serving your students here in Catawba County Schools. Thank you. Have a good night.